So my role is several different things. I do work-based learning, I do explore computer science, and I also have a dual credit college class called Smart Start that we're implementing this semester. So I have several different things that I do, but work-based learning is my primary focus down here, and explore computer science would be second because those are part of the CTE classes that I teach down here. What I love about the CTE is it's dealing with hands-on real-world experiences for you guys or for the students that take classes here. For example, explore computer science. There's some computer science programs that you can get into. We look at the programming, we look at web page design. Another great aspect is through work-based learning, looking and watching the students grow through the jobs that they have in the community. That's a really good program that we have. Also, the dual credit Smart Start program is another great class that I really like to teach because it's a lot of life skills dealing with finances, interview tips, college prep, job career choices. There's just really so much that we could sit and talk for probably 30 or 40 minutes about what I like about it. But to me, that's what I like about the CTE programs down here is it's real world hands-on experience that you're able to work with.
Well, what would you like to see come to the CDC?
We've got some great programs and there's always things that we can expand on. But I think, what we have down here is really great. I don't really think that I would take away anything. I think we have some really good programs down here. All the instructors do a great job with what they do. But there's always things that you can add.
What's your opinion about the value of education?
So one of the misconceptions that we all have, and even I had that as a young learner, is we think that education is strictly for the classroom, but that's not the case. We had this concept come up years ago is, you're really a lifelong learner. Your education's never gonna stop.
What did you study in college?
I was actually a business management major in college, so I've come a long ways from that aspect of what I teach now.
Have you ever done anything else, not education-wise?
Yes, so I spent 24 and a half years in the armed services, 4 years in the Marines, and the other time was spent in the Army. So I did do some education type stuff in the Army. I worked at an academy where we taught leadership and stuff like that.
How long does it take to get into this position?
So for me, I took a little bit different route. Okay, so I told you I was in the military for an extended amount of time. So I had to do what you call an alternate route program. So I took some classes and it took me about a year to get my official teacher's license. I got a temporary 3-year license by completing some of those requirements. And then there were several other classes I had to take to actually get into some of the CTE programs. So my route was a little bit different than most traditional educators.
How long have you been working at the high school and how long have you been working at the CDC?
So this is my 5th year in the school system. This is my 1st year down at the CTE program.
Who's your favorite Ninja Turtle?
Really, I'm a team player. I can't really say I have a favorite person because they all bring something unique. They all have their own different skill sets. So really, they're all my favorite, I guess. I don't really have any one particular person or turtle that stands out. So